Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and also good evening, guys, depending on whichever time of the day that you all are going to come across this video. I'd like to welcome you all onto this channel, man. Thank you very much for the love, the support, and yes, leave Vaseline Bafetu, so I'm gonna be shocked at the table, and then I was busy on TikTok, and then I came across this. Check this out, and then we'll talk.
Kunzima nokuthi unginikeze at least i-2000 a month cabanga imali encane iyakuhlula ukuthi unginikeze yona mara uyasebenza uyaphanda wenza ama-event host ama-event ngapha nangapha uhamba namantombazana 24/7 uhlala unama-cherry njalo and nihlala niphuza bathengelwa bani njalo bathengelwa uwa ngisho
mari lockdown iqale nini
nginaphi ku-lockdown mina
manje ucama ukuthi ama-event ungahosta kanjani
ngendaba ne-lockdown imali yona kumele unginikeze yona kumele ungimaintaine njenge-girlfriend yakho kuphela that's what I'm asking for.
mina vele nginomunye uchair and besides mina bengicama ukuthi uyazi ukuthi entanglement mara ngisho uyazi ukuthi besihlangane leso sikhathi besibonana njalo besibonana njalo
besihlala ungibukelisa ama-series lapho ungidlisa ama-series wakho ase-TV 24/7 kunzima nokuthi ungithengele i-pizza or something ungidlisa yona lento zase-TV ozithandayo uhlala ubukele zona 24/7
mara
into yaziyo wena ukukhadlisha and make love phela
mara ngisho wena bakhona abantu abakwazi ukwenza lokho angisho
so wena ubona nje ukuthi kumele wena ezantsi undina phezulu cha because bakhona abantu abazokwazi
ukumaintain manje wena uzongitshela ukuthi ayiki out ye bayingakho abantu abake bakudampa mbani
hayi mina ngidampa ngiyadampa
exactly
njengoba ngisela ngizodampa wena
manje ungaze ungilethe TV for lento leyo wathini uCherry wama mpela makayibona
mina nguCherry wama uzogcwala uzobona ukuthi istory sithini uzogcwala uzoyazi urere ukuthi wena buloku ujola nami wajola naye uloku ujola nami bewuceda wangibhlocka wenza mina isibhanqa umtshele naye so ngifuna ukukutshela nje kahle ukuthi this thing yakho yes this thing yethu ayisebenzi vele sengikhathele uwe ungihleli la uyandika la awukwazi kunakela umuntu wesifazane into yaziyo nje wena nje kuphela uloku 24/7 wena uloku awazi ukuthi umuntu uyageza umazi ukuthi umuntu uyadla lokhu ushiya umngcolisile njalo ufuna ukumngcolisa lokanuka nje kuphela namanje impahla ngizigqokile angeke uzusho awazi ukuthi ngizithenge phi iphenti lami wona lokhu yalikhulula kuphela awazi ukuthi ngilithenga ngani ngilithathe kuphi ukhulula amaphenti athengwa amanye amadoda awufuni wena ukuthenga
yabo that's exactly the mentality engenza ukuthi mina ngizithulele ke
it's because awufuni ukuthenga wena ufila kanjani uhlisa iphenti ongalazi ukuthi libuyaphi ufila kanjani uyindoda wehlisa iphenti uyayibona nayi le G-string ipingi uyayehlisa uyazi ukuthi thenga obani angisho as a man kumele ube responsible usho ukuthi baby I need to buy you this
ngicela nawe
ngevalentine uzongithengela ini I'm sure namanje ayikho into plan ukungenzela yona nje
ngiplanela ukuyenzela urere something
wow okay we're done
vele
yazi bengicabanga ukuthi uyangithanda.
This is an old episode, my favorite. I just came across this and I was like, yo, I enjoyed this. I could never get tired of watching this episode. I love it with all my heart. This guy, this guy honestly does not care about this girl. This guy, I like the fact that he's taking care of his grandmother and his child, because that's what the girl said. If you can, you'll be able to. I'm sure you can get the full episodes on Showmax. Yeah, you can get it on Showmax because they do have a season and old episodes of the show. So yeah, you'll get it with Showmax. But however, yay. This guy, I love this guy, man. I love this guy. This guy, I don't want to lie to you. The sad thing is that the girl was so in love with this guy and is still in love with the guy, because as much as she brought him to the show, I do not feel like she brought him to Vele to end the relationship. No, I don't think that was the aim. I think it was just to shake him up or to show or to try and get the guy to be serious about her. But unfortunately, the guy, honestly speaking, does not have any plans for the girl. he just does not share manga, and you abafana bazoniheta abafethu. Yo, yekani guys, lokhu naminhlema abantu yazi abantu banabantu babo yazi bafethu. Yekani lento yenu. And also this thing, demand, I want to take this, I want to do that. A man must be responsible, a man must. Kunjani makunje? Kunjani makunje, guys? I just wanted to do a very nice and playful video. Oh, I love this video. This video has, even when I'm not in a good space, mang bugele video le, yo, right? Yo, oh, the thing that made me say, Guti, I do not believe Guti she brought the guy here to end the relationship. She just wanted to shake him up. Was the fact Guti at the end she started crying. You understand? Showing Guti usamthanda. Yeah, sometimes it could be Guti ukhala because mhlambe uhead Guti she wasted her time and all of that, and she really loved him. But sometimes Shem, it's just a pity ukuthi uboy no rere and retlaring well. Yeah, man, tell what you think about this video down below. Did you watch this episode? Do you still remember this episode? Sure.